You're free to use any contractor that you would like to do the repairs.
Insurance adjusters will recommend contractors because people don't know who to use and who's reputable and who's not. But the bottom line is you choose the contractor, and you're responsible for whatever it is you work out with that contractor.
Show the insurance company's estimate to your contractor. Make sure they agree with it and can do it for the price that the insurance company has offered.
Now, the contractor might come in and say, it's going to cost you $10,000 for me to fix your kitchen.
There may be issues that your contractor notices that haven't been considered by the insurance company.
I'm going to do an estimate, and I think it's only going to cost $6,000. So at that point, the contractor and the insurance adjuster would have to battle that out in order to decide what was actually there, what was not there.
How much is it going to cost to reframe the house? How much is it going to cost to re-drywall the house? How much is it going to cost for carpeting?
See, a lot of times people will have cheap carpeting in their house, and they'll think that we don't know the difference between cheap carpeting and good carpeting.
They are going to want to see a detailed list, room by room, of what materials are being used.
So they'll try to get us to put good carpeting in when we know the cheap carpeting is all they had. That's one of the most common examples that people try to get away with upgrades and this and that. And the insurance company, they're on to that. They know exactly what it's worth, all written down in charts and tables.
And the insurance company is not going to accept a lump sum figure that says, I have a contractor who says he can put it back together for $200,000.
And the contractors generally know that. They know what we're going to pay and not pay for a particular repair to your house.
If not, you need to go back to the insurance company and try to resolve any differences before any expenses are incurred. Otherwise, you might find that the insurance company is not going to honor the additional charges.